the first in our series of Nimue at-home treatment tutorials. This is a great way for you to be able to see how to do your Nimue treatment at home if you're not able to get to your salon for a facial treatment. Today we're going to do the at-home Nimue Resurfacer Treatment. This is a brilliant treatment to exfoliate the skin, making the skin feel more smoother. It gives you also more radiant, vibrant complexion, and it's a flash treatment. The Nimue products needed for the resurfacer treatment are the following: cleansing gel, conditioner, exfoliating enzyme, glyco mask, anti-aging eye cream, Hydro Replenish, and a day or night Nimue moisturizer. And if you are performing your treatment during the day, you will need one of the Nimue SPF products. Additional items needed is gauze, and then a brush and disposable compress that you will receive when you purchase the Nimue Glyco Mask. If you have a sensitive skin or skin that is easily irritated, we suggest that you do not do this treatment on yourself at home. There are other great treatments that you could use as alternatives. Also, if you are allergic to aspirin, we recommend that you do not do this treatment at home on yourself either. Now, before we get to the active part of the treatment, we first have to prepare the skin. This is where we're going to start with cleansing the skin. If you're wearing any eye makeup or lipstick, you can use Nimue Cleansing Gel to remove. Take dampened cotton pads, use 1 pump of Nimue Cleanser, and then gently wipe over the eye area to thoroughly remove your eye makeup. Then you will wipe over the lips to remove any lipstick. The next step is to cleanse the skin using the Nimue Cleansing Gel. Take approximately 1 to 3 pumps of cleanser and apply to a dry skin. Make sure that you are working around the eyes, the nose, and areas that we sometimes forget, such as in front of the ears. Don't forget, we should not only concentrate on the face, but also to include the neck and décolleté. Then dip your hands in water and with wet fingertips, massage the cleanser into the skin for about 1 minute. You can then either choose to rinse off the cleanser, or you can remove with dampened gauze, making sure that all cleanser is thoroughly removed from the face, the neck, and the décolleté. You will then condition the skin with Nimue Conditioner, which is a great rejuvenating treatment. Spray onto dry gauze. If your skin is slightly sensitive, you can use dampened gauze. Then wipe over the face, making sure to avoid the eye area. If you have not been using gauze, now is the time to start using gauze when treating the skin with Nimue. Why gauze? Gauze helps in the natural exfoliation process, and it does not absorb as much product as cotton pads would. The next very important stage of our at-home treatments is to exfoliate the skin. Use a small amount of Nimue exfoliating enzyme, which is a non-abrasive, non-irritating exfoliating enzyme, and apply it to a clean, dry skin. Then leave on for 2 minutes. Dip your hands in water, and with wet fingertips, you will activate the enzymes by massaging the skin for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to keep the skin damp and to massage with fast movements to ensure the enzymes are activated. Leave on the skin for another 2 minutes and then remove thoroughly with water, or once again with dampened gauze, making sure that the exfoliating enzyme is thoroughly removed. You will once again condition the skin with Nimue conditioner on dry gauze and wipe over the face, the neck and the décolleté. When this step is completed, your skin is now prepared and ready for the next phase of your at-home treatment, which is to treat the skin with one of our masks. The next fun part of your at-home Nimue Resurfacer treatment is to apply the mask, and here we are using the Nimue Glyco mask. You will apply an even layer of mask with a mask brush that you will receive when purchasing the mask. Apply it to the face, neck and décolleté, and you will leave it on for 10 minutes. Please do not exceed the time. You may feel a slight tingling sensation, which is perfectly normal, or the skin may be slightly red after removal. Once again, this is normal. To remove the mask, you will use the disposable compress which you will receive when purchasing the mask, and then soak the compress in water. Wipe the compress over the skin to thoroughly remove any traces of mask on the skin. If you are using this mask in the evening, make sure not to use your active gel or active lotion on that night. Now we must not forget about the delicate eye area, and for the eyes we will be using the anti-aging eye cream. Use a small amount on your ring finger and with tapping movements, apply it to the lower lid and upper lid around the eyes, and then gently massage it in. The anti-aging eye cream is brilliant for those fine lines and wrinkles, puffiness and dark circles that we so commonly see around the eyes. To give the skin a comforting treat, we can use the Nimue Hydro Replenish. This is a limited edition product. It is a lightweight gel that moisturizes and repairs the skin and at the same time gives it a plumping effect. Apply to the face, the neck and the décolleté. If you do not have the Hydro Replenish but still want to give the skin the best benefits, you could use the Nimue Pre and Post Serum and Nimue TDS, or one of the 6 serums that Nimue has, based on what you have at home and what your therapist has recommended. Continue with either your Nimue Day Moisturizer or your Nimue Night Moisturizer, depending on what time of day you are doing your at-home treatment. Massage into the skin, once again on the face, the neck and the décolleté. If you are doing your treatment during the day, you can apply a Nimue SPF to the face, the neck and the décolleté. You may be spending more time indoors, but you may still be exposed to UV rays even through your glass windows. Apply a generous layer to the face, the neck and the décolleté. Your Nimue at-home resurfacer treatment is now complete.